Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gears of War Reloaded game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, freezing, not launching or won't launch, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. So the first fix is to delete the Gears of War Reloaded save data folder. Please make a note, all saved settings will be lost, hence keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So go to the C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data folder. If you don't see app data, then click on view, and then in the drop down you will see show hidden items. Select that and then open app data folder, then open local folder, then open coalition folder, then open war game folder, and now within the wargame folder, right click on save data folder and delete it. Now you can launch the game and check. But before deleting this save data folder, just keep this backup of this folder to the desktop first. Second solution is to delete the wargame folder. Again, all saved setting will be lost, hence keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So go to C drive, user folder, your username folder, app data, then local folder, coalition folder, then right click on wargame. But before deleting it, just copy paste this folder to desktop first, then right click on wargame folder and delete it. Now you can launch the game and check. This solution has fixed the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now the third solution is to do not log in with Microsoft account. This fix is only if you are able to launch the game, or else you can skip this fix. So when you hit play button, you will get this screen, and here you can click maybe later and then see if that works or not. Fix 4 is to try -dx11 or -dx12 in launch option. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Gears of War Reloaded game and select properties. In the launch options, type -dx11, then close the tab, and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time type -dx12 in launch options, and then you can launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command from here and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to install easy anti-cheat. Now open Steam, go to library, right click on Gears of War Reloaded game and click on manage browse local file. It will take you to the game installation folder. The path is C drive program file x86 Steam apps common Gears of War Reloaded game folder. Now here you will see this install easy anti-cheat file. So right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. A command prompt will open for a microsecond, or you may not see anything happening, but do this action and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to run the game as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Gears of War Reloaded game and click on manage browse local files. It will take it to the game installation folder. Now open the binaries _x64 folder, then right click on GOWD-steam exe file and then select properties, then go to compatibility tab, then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then you can launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then try modifying the compatibility settings. Again go to the compatibility tab of this GOWD-steam exe file and then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down from here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then go to compatible tab and this time tick mark disable full screen optimization, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. When you put this check mark and still your game is not working, then simply untick all these boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. 8th solution is to enable disable hardware acceleration. So go to Windows setting, go to this Windows settings, then on the left click on system, then go to display, then graphics. Now here expand this advanced graphics settings and you will see hardware accelerated GPU setting. If it is turned on, then turn it off and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can just enable it and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are a AMD user, then you have to visit the official site of AMD. If you are NVIDIA user, then you have to visit the official site of NVIDIA. And if you are having the Intel graphic card driver, then you have to visit the official Intel website. The links are given in video description. So here in this video I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this official website of NVIDIA site. Once you are on NVIDIA site, here select your version of graphic card and then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. So click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option, then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, you can restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to allow Gears of War Reloaded game through firewall and antivirus. So in Windows search for Windows Security and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Then click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on Add an order. Then click on Browse all app. And then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps folder, common folder, Gears of War Reloaded folder. Now here select launch _ .gowdexe file, then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps and browse to game installation folder, and this time open the binaries _ x64 folder and then select gwde steam exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now what you have to do, go back and then click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse and then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam app folder, common folder, Gears of War Reloaded folder, then select launch _ .gowdexe file and then click on open. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then again click on allow another app and browse to game installation folder. This time open binaries _ x64 folder and select gwde steam exe file and click open to add it. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you have installed any third-party antivirus program on your PC such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, any third-party antivirus you have installed on your PC, then you have to allow the Gears of War Reloaded exe file through that antivirus program, or simply turn off your antivirus program and then you can launch the game and check. Later you can turn on your antivirus. Fix 11 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Gears of War Reloaded folder, binaries _ x64 folder, select gwde steam exe file and click on add to add it to the list. Then after adding it, expand it and then next to GPU preference select high performance and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. So go to this official website of Microsoft. The link is given in video description. Scroll down. Now download x86 version and also download x64 version and run both of them one by one. Now if you see install option, then install it. If you see repair option, then click on repair. Click yes to allow. Then also click on x64 version, double click it. And now if you see install option, then install it. If you see repair option, then repair it. Click yes to allow. and when both the x86 and x64 version get installed, you can then launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to verify the integrity of game file. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Gears of War Reloaded game and select properties, go to installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And once the verification of the game file has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. 14th solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows, click on settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available, then download them and install it. Then restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to uninstall and reinstall Gears of War Reloaded game. So if none of these solutions work for you, then simply uninstall Gears of War Reloaded game from your PC, then restart your PC and reinstall the game. Install in SSD or another SSD drive and then check. If you have installed the game in C drive earlier, then this time install the game on E drive or F drive, that is the external drive, and then launch the game and check. And if you have installed the game in external drive earlier, then this time install in C drive, local drive that is, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix Gears of War Reloaded game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, freezing issue, not launching or won't launch problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen issue, or a black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.